there is no option to insert a page border in Google Docs. However, there are workarounds. This video will show you 2 ways to insert a page border in Google Docs. The first method is through inserting a single cell table. To do this, go to Insert and Table. Then click on the first cell on the left to choose a single cell or a 1-by-1 table. Tap on your Enter key to enlarge the table. If you keep doing it, the table will spill over to the next page. So, you may want to stop at page 1. Next, we are going to customize the table. To do this, go to Format, choose Table, and Table Options. Here you have various table options, but we're going to concentrate on color. When you click on Color, you have the option to change the border color. You can also change the border thickness. Next, you can move the border position by clicking on the 6 dots on the upper left of the table. You can move it to the left or right and up or down. You can also adjust the page margins by going to Page Setup in the File menu. You can adjust the top, bottom, left, and right margins and click OK. Once you're satisfied with the border, you can enter text into the table to see how your page looks. You can see that the border is automatically created on the next page when text overflows to it. So, you don't have to manually create a border for each page. Let's now look at the second method of adding a page border to Google Docs. You can use this method if you want to use a pattern border. For this to work, you must have the image of the border ready. Go to Insert and choose Drawing and New. Then click on the image icon. Here you have various options to enter your border image. Let's choose Upload and select your border image. Then click on the text box icon and insert it into the border. Next, enter your text. Then click on Save and Close. You'll notice that the border is out of position. Click on it and choose Image Options. Then choose Size and Rotation. Adjust the width size to position the border. If you want the border to be on the next page, you have to manually copy and paste it. The disadvantage of this method is you can only edit the text in the drawing mode. So, you can use this method for the title page of your document and use the table method for the rest of your document.
Simply click the link below to learn more.